our tutorial. So today we will continue to add slides in our presentation. So to add slides, by the way, we can click some theme here. Click themes. Start. Okay, then click use the slides. Click explore. This one. Okay, so we have themes. So you can choose themes here. Okay, so for example, our theme would be I'm going to use this one. Okay, so that's I use Streamline for my theme. So when I'm going to add a new file here, okay, I already have the theme. Okay, so I can click that. Okay, so we already have a slide here. Okay, so let's say for example we want to add a logo on this particular slide in all of our slides and the title of our talk. So what we'll do here would be we are going to click insert format slide. Okay, you go to slide, then click edit master. Okay, so once you have there in the edit master, you can insert an image here. Say I'm going to insert the logo, load from computer, logo of JRMSU. Okay, so I'm going to look for the logo of JRMSU. Okay, so we have here, it's a JRM seal. Okay, JRMSU seal. Click this one, then, okay, so I have the JRMSU seal. I'm going to adjust this one, this one. Then I'm going to put it here. Okay, then I'm going to do that. Okay, then I'm going to insert now. I'm going to insert word art. Let's say a word art would be the top is 3 C's for a successful future. Okay, then okay. So I have this one 3 C's for a successful future. I'm going to move it here, drag, okay. 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 So after that, you just click this one, you close. Okay, so we already have here. It is somewhat like header or footer in our Microsoft Word, wherein when we're going to add that, it will automatically appear on the slides. So when we add another slides, so we already have this. Click that. Okay. So you don't need to copy paste on all the slides for this particular part. So after we have that, we are going now to add, let's say for example, type here the 3 C's. Okay, so then I'll type competence, consciousness, money, and character. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this one to make the text bigger. Click the plus sign. Okay, so okay, so we have slide 1, we have slide 2, and I want you to add a transition. So since we already have a slide 2 and slide 1, um, we're going to add a slide transition from slide 1 to slide 2. So where to go is to click this one, transition. Okay, so take note, the first value is none. So click that and you try to click dissolve. Then, okay, then you can play that. You can apply to all slides. So you want to apply that to all slides. Take note, this means that there's already a transition. So if we're going to click play, okay, so that's our first slide. Then let's move. Okay, open. Excuse me. Okay, let's try to click play. Click this one. Next slide. Open. Let's try to click present. Okay, the next slide. Okay, you see that one? That's the transition. So we could, because that's dissolved. And let's try to change this to uh, slide from left. Okay, then click apply to all slides. Let's try to play present. Okay, okay, so that's the transition. Slide from, okay, that is the transition. So you can also choose different transitions here. Could have cube. Let's try. Click play. You can click play. Okay, so that's cube. So for now, I'm going to use cube. So if I want to change, I want to stop. Okay. Okay. So a transition is from one slide to the next slide. You want to have something, some movements or some effects. The purpose of that for slide transition is for you to know that that the slide another slide there's another slide on your presentation. Okay, so let's proceed now to animation. So let's click this one. It's the animation themes. Okay, animation. This part. Okay, this part. Click this part. Then click animate. Okay, so in animation, okay, let's try to click this one first. We want to animate this one, object animation. Okay, click that. Okay, for on click, what do you want to do? Say fly in from left. Okay, on click. Then I want to check this one for this by paragraph so that it will display first competence, then consciousness of money, then character if that is checked. So let's try to play. Click play. Okay. 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 Okay, see? So click stop in order to do that. Okay, for the 3Cs, click add animation. Then I want the animation of the 3Cs to zoom in. Try to click play. Up and click. So we had a problem. So we have to reorder. Okay, that's the 3C. Supposedly, the 3C should come first. So, what shall we do? So, we are going to, by the way, for this, we have to, this one, we have to move it first. Okay, I drag it at the top. So, let's try to play again. Okay, so the 3Cs. Okay, click, competence, consciousness of money, then character. Okay, so uh, we already add an animation to our slides. So if you want to, let's say for example, you have here you have other options. If you want that to be automatic, you can change that to not on click. We zoom in, change this to after previews. Then if you want also this particular part, you can also click that, change to after previews. So if I'm going to play that, it will automatically uh, display. Okay, we have the 3Cs, then competence, conscious money, and character. Okay, then if you want to change the speed, you can move this one. Okay, you can move that. So when you click again play, okay, you can take note 3Cs, okay, competence, okay, a little bit slower. So, okay, so that's it. In this video, you learn how to add a slide transition and an animation. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Uh, Later on, we're going to have another video on how to share your presentation. Thank you very much.